feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To fix Outlook search issues for missing emails, try these steps. 1. Rebuild the index by navigating to File Options, Search Indexing Options. Modify and select your Outlook data files. 2. Check filters by ensuring no unnecessary filters are applied in your search settings. 3. Update Outlook to ensure you have the latest patches and fixes. If issues persist, repair the Outlook data file via File, Account Settings, Data Files, Open File Location, Repair. These steps should resolve most search-related challenges.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.